short one. I don't know what is happening. People are not watching my video anymore. So, you know, it's really frustrating. So I don't want to force it. You understand? So I decided I would just record anything I'm doing. I record it, put it there. Understand? I don't need to force myself. When it's time, then if it's the will of God, let the will of God done. Because I have tried everything. It seems like it's not working. You get, for how many months I have been consistency. I have been trying, you know, trying my best. So it seems like nothing is working. So I don't wanna, you know, put all my focus, my time, my everything. I have a lot of things. I have other things that I need to do. So I decide I will just record. If I record, I will put it up there. You understand? Let the will of God be done. So I'm peeling yam. I'll be using it to cook beans. Yam this time around is very strong. So I'll be using it to cook beans. I've cooked my beans already. So peeling my yam now. I will add it. The beans has been boiling and it's done already. Yes, it's done already. So let's do this and see what God has for us. Let's see what God has for us. Let His will be done in my life. Because I have tried my best. It seems nothing is working on this my channel. Nothing is working. Yeah, I understand. Before you make it, you need all these big people in your this thing. If you have anyone, if you don't have, you keep on struggling. Yeah, I think that is my situation right now. I will keep on struggling, so I don't have to focus all my attention, all my time, put it here. Before I put all my time, I abandon my Facebook. Understand? At least that one, they collect small this thing there. I focus here, all my time, my energy here. You know, thinking that, you know, if I'm consistency like 2 to 3 months, this one I'm gonna pick. But I didn't see anything. It didn't work like that. Maybe it worked for others, but in my own case, it didn't work. You understand? So I decide now, anytime I feel like I choose, I just put let the will of God be done in this my channel. This is in God's hand now. Yeah. Honestly, I don't want to frustrate it today because it really frustrates me. I don't want anything, you know, that will make me start thinking, anything that will make me no. Understand? I don't want that. Okay? So if you come across my video, you can help me watch, you can comment, you can like, subscribe, share. Yeah. If you wish to. Okay? Yeah. You know my people doesn't watch. My Nigerian people they doesn't watch. Unless all these African American people. Other distant countries they watch my video very well, they even comment. Understand? But let the will of God be done. So I don't want to force it. So at this point, I'm gonna end the video. Like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want to be going corner, okay? So at this point, I'm gonna end the video right now. Please keep on liking, keep supporting, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting, keep liking. Please help me subscribe, help and also build my page, my channel by subscribing, by liking, by comments. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys all. For those that are supporting me, I love you all. Understand? Thank you so much. Okay, so keep liking, keep supporting. Okay, yeah. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye for now. Yeah.